Hey, welcome back to the channel. I want to show you how Adobe just allowed AI art to be sold on their major platform. So you can see here, these are the rules. You have to make sure it's posted as an illustration, and they want it to be, really creative. You have to maintain high quality. So don't just put every single AI image up that you generate. To do this, we're going to use MidJourney Ai. Here's a sample of some of the community artwork, and you can see that these images are absolutely fantastic. This tool is you have to type in /imagine and then the prompt. And we're going to go ahead and have it generate some cool images. I really like image number 1 and 4, so we're going to upscale those. And then I want you to head over to bigjpg.com to enlarge the image. You want to at least 4x it. You can do this for free. And then once you have that uploaded image, you're going to head over to Adobe Sellers platform, and you can simply upload the image. Make sure to select illustration, that it was created using generative AI, and you can see I gave it a title that says generated by generative AI. I also put that in the keyword section twice, so there's no discrepancies. Now, how much did they pay? 33 cents to $26 per image downloaded. So I don't think this is necessarily something you're going to get rich doing, but it is a great way to create a passive income stream.